our beef burger and vegetable dinner. And the best part is that we're going to use foil, so no pans to wash. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. We're going to start out using a large sheet of foil, and then to that foil we are going to spray with a little vegetable spray. Then we're going to add 4 cut up potatoes that have been washed and peeled and diced, 4 washed and peeled carrots, and a cut up onion. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to create a little teepee out of our foil. Make sure and seal the edges, but don't push it down too tight because we're going to want to get back into this in about 30 minutes because we're going to put this on the grill and cook our vegetables before adding our hamburger patties. Okay, we've removed our foil packet from the grill and we're going to open it up and add 1 pound of ground beef that we have made into 4 patties. Ooh, careful, it's hot. I'm going to add my patties into the foil pack. Just like that. And I'm going to seal it back up. And return it back to the grill for about another 30 minutes. And we'll know our hamburgers are done when they have reached the internal temperature of 160 degrees. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.